Yes,
candidate
yes, yes.
with you. Acha.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good evening. Here is a material that is used for Indian Bank promotions, which tells about MSME, Microsoft. So not Microsoft, micro, small, medium enterprises. Here some important point is given. Micro, small, medium enterprises are among the strongest drivers of economic development, innovation and employment. MSME sector also contributes in a significant way to the growth of the Indian economy with a vast network of about 63.38 million enterprises. The sector contributes about 45% of manufacturing output, more than 40% of exports, and 28% of GDP, while creating employment to about 111 million people, which in terms of volume stands next to agricultural sector. The MSME sector in India is exceedingly heterogeneous in terms of size of the enterprises and variety of products and services and levels of technology employed. That is, it is manufacturing is also there, servicing is also there. This is the definition about which we saw already. Here they have told, as per RBI notification, it has been decided to include retail and wholesale trade as MSMEs for the limited purpose of priority sector lending, and they would be allowed to be registered under Udyam registration portal for following NIC codes. Then MSME comes under priority sector. This is a very, very important point. Then registration of MSME. Registration in Udyam registration portal mandatory with effect from July 1, 2020. Then all enterprises registered with any other organization under ministry shall register itself under Udyam registration. Online registration is allowed. So please go through this also. Then government initiative for MSME segment. MSMED Act came into force in 2006. The erstwhile small road transport operators, professional self-employed small business retail included in the service sector under MSME. To promote MSME sector, cluster approach is also adopted. Collateral free, this is a very important point. Collateral free approach for limits up to 10 lakhs. The definition of MSME sector as per investment that we have seen, the target is fixed for 20% on year growth. The growth in number of unit is envisaged 10%. 60% of total advances to MSE sector as at preceding March should go to micro enterprises. CGT, this they will ask you. CGT MSE scheme launched for providing credit guarantee for micro small enterprises segment, reimbursement of credit rating fee for NSI from NSIC up to 75% subject to maximum of 40,000, penalty for non-payment of receivables of MSME by clients within 45 days at the rate of 3 times bank rate. That is, MSMEs should get payment. If they are not getting payment, there is some penalty levied. So A points B up pad lijiye. Then common guidelines or instructions for lending to MSME sector. Issue acknowledgement of loan application to MSME. Banks to mandatorily acknowledge all loan applications submitted manually or online. ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. Then collateral का बारे में क्या बोलता है? Banks are mandated not to accept collateral up to rupees 10 lakhs. Banks are also advised to extend collateral-free loans up to 10 lakhs for all units financed under Prime Minister Employment Generation PMEGP administered by KVIC, Khadi Village Industries Commission. Banks may, on the basis of good track record and financial position of MSC units, increase the limits to dispense with collateral requirement for loans up to 25 lakhs with the approval of appropriate authority. Then what is a composite loan? A composite loan limit of 1 crore can be sanctioned by banks to enable MSE entrepreneurs to avail of their working capital and term loan requirement through single window. Then Koir Udyam Yojana scheme by Koir board. There is one scheme by Koir. I think this may not be important unless you are in Kerala. Then Pradhan Mantri Jandan Yojanas. This is not required for you. This is under PMJDY for 10,000 rupees. That is not required for us. Then they are telling about some Mudra cards. Our bank has introduced special Rupee Mudra cards. That's not required. Then Deen Dayal Antodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihood Mission, with a view to improving livelihood opportunities of poor and urban areas. Ministry of Urban and Poverty Alleviation, YD, the notification has decided to enhance scope of this mission. The mission with enhanced scope is renamed Deen Dayal Antodaya so and so. Mission will be implemented in all district headquarters, all cities with a population of 1 lakh and above, as per 2011. उद्यम मित्रा पोर्टल का बारे में कुछ दिया है, इसको ठीक से पढ़ लीजिए बाद में. Then revised code of banks commitment to micro enterprises, major changes MSE code, no processing fee for loans up to 5 lakhs, whether sanctioned or not. The time norms for disposal of MSME applications complete in all aspects. Loan up to 5 lakhs within 2 weeks. They will ask you these things. Above 5 lakhs to 25 lakhs, 3 weeks. Above 25 lakhs within 6 weeks. Credit guarantee scheme, fund scheme for micro, small, very, 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 very important. Idhar diya hai, not exceeding rupees 200 lakh by way of term loan or working capital facilities covered. Please go through this content once again. Facilities sanctioned after one. इतना detail पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं. Various modifications announced by CGT MSC. Introduction of payout cap on claim settlement, charging of annual guarantee fee, then coverage of retail under credit guarantee scheme, then partial collateral security of credit guarantee scheme, credit linked subsidy scheme. What is that? इसको पढ़ लीजिए. Credit guarantee fund for micro unit scheme for Mudra loans. वो क्या चीज है वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. And credit guarantee scheme for Stand Up India, for loan sanctioned under Stand Up India scheme. Salient features of credit guarantee scheme for Stand Up India, that is above rupees 10 lakh up to 50 lakh, guarantee cover 80%. Above 50 lakh, rupees 40 lakh plus 50% of the amount of default. MSME and agro processing centers, that scope of MAPC. What is that? थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. Spoke branch क्या है? I don't know. थोड़ा आप ये सब पढ़ लीजिए. Then MAPC, objective parameters of credit review for model for MSME proposals. Major segment in objective rating assessment, इसको भी पढ़ना है. MSME proposals, credit review initiation, credit review finalization, maker, risk officer, AGM. This is about Indian bank. Don't bother much. That whatever is pertaining to bank, छोड़ दीजिए. Individual bank, PSB loans on 59 minutes in Indian bank. I think it is there in your bank also, Union Bank. Same thing.
Yes. Government scheme है सर ये 59.
Exactly दिया है. Policy on restructuring MSME, इसको भी पढ़ लीजिए. COVID related ये छोड़ दीजिए. अभी COVID तो चला गया. It was important then. Then what are the structured loan products for under MSME? PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, all micro manufacturing service. Then eligibility, individual or proprietor partnership, limited company, LLP or private limited. Then purpose of working capital requirements, purchase of fixed assets, types of facilities, Mudra loan, MSME loan up to 10 lakhs. Sishu, Kishore and Tarun, likewise. Okay. Then Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, allied activities, administrative approval of sanction of loans. This may be related to Indian bank, maybe not very much important. छोड़ दीजिए. Then Mudra TBS scheme. ये ऐसा में पे आपका बैंक में आए? ये क्या चीज?
नहीं सर, नहीं टीवीएस स्कीम नहीं है।
Some transport operator बोलता है, पता नहीं. Maybe
ये अलग स्कीम है सर।
this is अलग scheme for the bank probably. छोड़ दीजिए. इतना if you go through all this to some extent IB contractors ये नहीं होगा आपको. So individual needs को आपको जरूरत नहीं. Now to help you, what I have done, I have sent you a list of questions to you in your WhatsApp. Can you go through those questions? And if you have some doubt regarding some questions, we can now search here and try to find some answers. Please go through the questions given today. I sent you today.
Yes, sir. I go through 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. Most
Anyhow,
of questions Indian Bank private officer.
I will stop this recording so that this is not